Reminder lang po mga kanegosyo. Meron tayong mga tips para sa micro, small, medium enterprises. Una, you need to do your research on the foreign supplier. Tignan mo kung legit ba yung website niyan, kung legit yung reviews, at history ng import and export transactions. Pangalawa, you need to secure all the required permits from Bureau of Customs, FDA, BAI, o kung anong kailangang permit na kailangan mo before magpadala ng mga goods. Pangatlo, you need to keep digital and printed copies of all your importation documents. And you need to work with a licensed customs broker or a reliable freight forwarder. It's also important na maintindihan mo yung mga Incoterms na tinatawag like FOB, CIF, para alam mo sino yung responsable sa mga bayarin. And mga don'ts natin, don't transact without a signed sales agreement or pro forma invoice. Don't ignore customs duties and taxes computation. Malaking adjustment ito sa costing mo. And last, don't delay coordination with your broker. Dapat habang nasa biyahe pa lang yung shipment mo, may preparation na nangyayari. Don't rely solely on verbal agreements. Dapat may written proof ka palagi. Don't assume also na lahat ng produkto pwedeng i-import freely. I-check ang list ng restricted and prohibited goods. Marami rin tayong mga common mistakes na nangyayari. Una, nakakalimutan natin na i-register ang business sa BOC. Pangalawa, kulang-kulang yung documents. Walang mga certificate of origin kung may free trade agreement. Meron ding mga nag-under declaration ng value para makatipid sa tax. This can cause seizure ng shipment. At last, minsan huli na tayo maghanap ng tracker or warehouse. Nagli-lead to sa port congestion. Importante rin na alam natin na may mga contingency plan tayo pag nade-delay ang shipment natin. Reminder lang po mga kanegosyo, kung hindi kayo sigurado kung saan magsisimula, pwede kayong humingi ng tulong sa freight experts tulad namin sa Asia Cargo Container Line Inc. Tandaan, ang importation ay opportunity, pero dapat tama ang simula para tuloy-tuloy ang negosyo nyo.